Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best cornhole bags on the market, the Platoon weather-resistant cornhole bags. These are dual-sided, regulation-sized bags designed for serious cornhole enthusiasts as well as casual backyard players. Whether you're a pro looking for durable performance or just want to enjoy a game at your next tailgate or cookout, these bags are built to impress. Right out of the gate, the Platoon bags stand out because they're crafted from heavy-duty duck cloth, a material known for its durability. The double stitching ensures that these bags can withstand countless tosses without bursting, which is a common issue with cheaper bags. What really sets them apart is their weather-resistant design. Unlike traditional corn bags that can mold or attract bugs. When exposed to moisture, these bags dry out quickly and stay ready for your next game, no matter the weather conditions. Each set comes with 8 bags, featuring 4 in bright orange and 4 in black. They measure the official regulation size of 6 inches by 6 inches and weigh between 15 to 16 ounces. Which means they perfectly fit standard cornhole boards and offer the consistent weight needed for fair play. The dual-color design is not only visually appealing but also practical for keeping score and distinguishing teams during play. Another great aspect of these bags is the included tote bag, making it super convenient to carry your set wherever you go. Whether it's a professional tournament, a friendly gathering, or a college football tailgate, you can easily pack up and transport your bags in style. Platoon is a veteran-owned business based in Fulton, Maryland, and they bring that commitment to quality and craftsmanship into every detail of these bags. From the stitching to the color choices, it's clear that a lot of thought has gone into making a product that lasts and performs well. Overall, if you're looking for cornhole bags that combine durability, weather resistance, official sizing, and a professional look, the Platoon weather-resistant cornhole bags are an excellent choice. They're built for all ages and skill levels, so whether you're a casual player or gearing up for competitive play, these bags won't let you down. That wraps up our review for today's product. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more honest critiques and detailed breakdowns, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll catch you in the next one.